Hi friends, now I'm going to tell you about ulcer fighting foods or foods that fight stomach ulcers. First, let us see what is an ulcer. Peptic ulcer refers to an eroded lesion in the gastric intestinal mucosa. An ulcer may form in any part of the digestive tract which is exposed to acid gastric juice but is usually found in the stomach and the duodenum. The ulcer found in the stomach is known as gastric ulcer, and the one in the duodenum is called duodenal ulcer. Peptic ulcer results from hyperacidity, which is a condition caused by an increase in hydrochloric acid in the stomach. This strong acid, secreted by the cells lining the stomach, affects much of the breakdown of food. It can be potentially dangerous, and under certain circumstances, it may eat its way through the lining of the stomach or duodenum, producing first irritation of the stomach wall and eventually an ulcer. Some fascinating discoveries have recently been made by British and Indian researchers as to how food and food constituents strengthen the stomach's resistance to harmful ulcer producing juices. Thus, British investigators detected a 20% thicker stomach lining in animal fed with powder made from plantains, the banana like fruit. Indian researchers photographed the rejuvenation of ulcered cells in guinea pigs. The healing has resulted from the increased mucins substances that shield the stomach lining from damage produced by drinking cabbage juice. Thus, one way foods can fight ulcers is by strengthening the stomach lining so that it is not easily eaten away by the attacks from acids. Certain foods accomplish this by stimulating the proliferation of cells in the stomach lining. This triggers a rapid release of mucus, which covers the cell with a protective covering, thereby sealing them off from harmful effects of acids. Antibacterial foods such as curd or yogurt, cabbage, and licorice may serve as more appropriate medicines for ulcers and gastritis and inflammation of the stomach lining than previously thought. This is because the scientists have discovered that a microbe known as H. pylori appears to be a cause of peptic ulcer. In many cases, ulcer treatment now often includes antibiotics. Antibacterial foods may thus also help in curing ulcer. So the foods that fight stomach ulcers are almond milk, ashgard, banana and plantain, cabbage juice, fenugreek seeds, fiber-rich foods, garlic, ladyfinger or okra, lime, licorice and wood apple. Friends, do have these foods often if you have this trouble of ulcer, because an untreated ulcer eventually leads to cancer. So take timely treatment, have these foods as much as possible, and you'll be all right. Friends, if you like my channel, do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Take care and lots of love to you all. Bye.